now felt really useful, too, was complaining.
Puffy Pissin?
I should have collected Mr. Conductor.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Oh my god, this is so annoying, just like me.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What engine? What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we better find her first. Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
The little engine cat who thinks it's but blue paint just like me.
Blue puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past you. Right.
Bye-bye, chaps. Hello!
The boss dumps sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, Fruits. Bit of a dust-up. Up to stay and clean up. Up to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Oh my god, Flower Angel. Achoo! Achoo!